As a security officer, time is of the essence when tensions rise. Recognizing a volatile situation is the first step. Log the incident and notify your team. Approaching calmly and assertively is key. Your presence can serve as a neutral point of focus. Speaking in a steady, considerate manner, encourage the individuals to divert their stress towards you. This can act as a pressure release. Just as in a game of chess, sometimes the best move is to create distance. Separate the individuals. Politely ask one person to step aside, explaining the situation, while keeping the other at their position. This strategic distance can prevent the situation from turning physical. Active listening is powerful. Demonstrate understanding to both parties. Reassure and placate. Your impartiality can diffuse the situation. Always be alert to body language signaling an escalation. Your training and judgment are crucial. De-escalation is an art every security officer should master. Remember, not all confrontations have to end in conflict. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and as always, be safe.